Inside Multimedia University of Kenya, learners go beyond lecture halls and classrooms. While students spend their days attending lectures, completing assignments, and preparing for examinations, many are also running small businesses to support themselves financially. From photography and graphic design to food vending, barbering, fashion, and digital services, student entrepreneurship has become an important part of campus life. As the cost of living continues to rise, many students are turning their talents and skills into income generating ventures. But how do they balance academics and business, and what motivates them? For some students, entrepreneurship starts with a simple skill and a desire to earn extra income. One student has transformed his passion for photography and graphic design into a business that serves fellow students and campus organizations.
Personally, I started my photography and graphic design business because I wanted to support myself and also improve in my skills. Most students need posters, event coverage, and social media designs. So I saw an opportunity.
However, balancing clients and coursework can sometimes be challenging.
Sometimes clients need urgent work when I also have classes and assignment. It becomes stressful, but I try to manage my time properly.
Food vending is another common hustle among students. Affordable snacks and quick meals are always in demand, especially during busy academic days.
I sell samosas, smokies, and juice mostly in the evening. The business helps me to pay for my personal expenses and sometimes even school materials.
She says consistency and customer satisfaction are key to success.
If your food is clean and and affordable, students will always come back. Social media helps me because I advertise through WhatsApp status.
Across the university, student businesses continue to grow as learners search for ways to become financially independent. While some businesses are driven by necessity, others are motivated by a desire to gain practical experience before entering the job market. For many students, entrepreneurship provides lessons that cannot always be found in textbooks. Through business, they learn communication skills, customer service, marketing, financial management, and problem solving. The university environment also provides a ready market, making it easier for students to identify needs and offer solutions. Personal grooming services have also become popular among student entrepreneurs. I started cutting hair for friends in first year. Then people began recommending me. Right now, I have regular customers from different hostels. He believes entrepreneurship is helping students become more responsible and independent. You learn customer service, money management, and discipline. Even after graduation, these skills can still help you in life. Digital services are also creating opportunities for students with technical skills.
Many students need help with PowerPoint presentations, CV design, and document formatting. I started helping friends and later turned it into a business. The income helped me meet my expenses, but it also allows me to improve my professional skills before entering the job market.
Despite the opportunities, students and entrepreneurs face several challenges such as limited capital competition and the pressure of balancing academics with business responsibilities remaining major obstacles. During examination periods, many businesses slow down as students focus on their studies. Yet, despite these challenges, many continue to pursue entrepreneurship because of the skill and opportunities it provides. What begins as a small side hustle often becomes a stepping stone toward future career success. From photography and graphic design to food vending, barbering, and digital services, students at Multimedia University are proving that entrepreneurship and education can go hand in hand. Their businesses are not only helping them meet daily expenses but are also equipping them with valuable skills for the future. Indeed, for many students, learning does not stop in the classroom. Some of the most important lessons are being learned through innovation, determination, and enterprise.